stored it. So it's like a giant refrigerator. It keeps the milk cold and moving until the milk truck comes and picks it up.
Really well.
Milking cows.
Milking cows. Do you like milk? Huh?
They chocolate milk and chocolate milk, but not regular milk.
Half done. We have two groups. First group's done. This is the second one. Come down here a couple days a week.
Oh, look! There's a brown cow. Is that where the chocolate milk comes from, Graylin? You think?
Rule of thumb, keep your head up high and keep your back going. Yep, every cow gets a new one. Now, to check for not safe or anything, we dip them, then we strip each quarter out of the cow just to make sure there's no mastitis or bad milk or anything. I promise you, they won't bite, buddy. If they bit, we won't have any fingers.
And now, is that disinfectant too that you're putting on?
Yeah.
A single cow can produce up to 55 pounds of milk in just one milking.
Oh, there's more cows.
Mm-hmm, lots of cows, huh?
Milk is again. But you can all the cow doesn't come this way.
Because they have to take turns getting milked.
What are they going to make milk out of?
That cow's number 125. You see the number on her ear?
Hey, well, does it have 125 milk? Does it have 125 one of those?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Yeah.
Must have had 120 milk.
This is cow 125.
Yeah,
She just finished being milked, huh?
but hey, that was stupid.
Yes, it is.
Spilled, all it is limestone, ground limestone.
And then that's good for your soil too when it goes back in.
Yeah, and that smooth surface, we leave the concrete smooth so it's easier to clean, but then you take more of a risk with cow phones. We put that down just so they have traction. Hits a certain height, it drops, and then that reads how much milk just went down through the line and went in the milk line. But that's really all that's to that. And these hoses are the ones that come from upstairs. This hose and then this hose here is part of the wash line.
It automatically rinses and washes the whole system out?
Yeah, it washes everything.
Then the milk goes to the tank, and then what? Does it just hold in there cooled until the
It just holds in there and cools until the truck comes and picks up. Truck comes here every other day.
And then it goes where?
Then it goes to the milk plant for Land O'Lakes.
Land O'Lakes. Awesome. And then it goes into the carton, right?
Yep. Actually, the milk that produced here, it goes to cheese and butter. It actually doesn't go to drinking milk. It just goes to milk product. that's just a little bit of extra to fluff in the line that wouldn't blow over.
This here is the filter right here.
What's that?
The filter.
The filter, yeah, that long
There, you can go look.
piece
Do you
right
want to
there,
look at
that's the filter.
it? That's the white milk, Gray. What happened to the chocolate milk?
Is that cooler there?
This is the plate cooler. This is where the milk goes in and the water runs through and it chills out. And then from there, it comes out, goes down, comes up into that pipe, and that pipe they swing down and hook up to the tank.
Gray, can you pet the baby cow?
Baby cows are called calves. After they have spent some time with their mothers, they are separated and brought here. This way, the mothers can continue to produce milk and be milked in the milking parlors.
There's the chocolate milk maker.
Oh, yes, this is it. Yeah.
Oh. Oh. Friendly
That's
too.
the chocolate milk maker.
He licked you.
Put your finger in. He won't hurt you. He'll just lick it.
No, they actually have teeth.
No, they don't. No, they don't. Put your finger.
Big cows have
Let
teeth.
it suck on your finger.
So it really,
It won't hurt you, I promise, Gary.
cows really have teeth.
No, they don't. Watch. Put your hand out. Look.
Will big cows have teeth?